Ni kazi.
Jotend jolweny mawuok e pinje 10 mag Afrika ma ugwe ochopo e winjruok mar tero jolweny e gwenge ma tulo nitiere alwora ma Afrika ma ugwe. E romo no yiedhi mar 32 mar jolweny e Afrika ma ugwe, jatije mar Eastern Africa Standby Forces Brigadier Paul Njema wacho ni onge piny moro amora mabiro bedo kaneno nok mar arita kod tulo. E romo no bende jatend jolweny ma Kenya Jemdar Francis Ogola nojiwo jolweny ma Afrika ma ugwe mondo mi oduok piny monj ma kinde ka kinde. Romo no ma obagi Nairobi geno ni biro rumo chieng' ngeso.
Start by the guest of honor and later we go to Burundi.
Good opportunity for me to chair and
the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Rwanda, represent
East African Standby Forces, which are integrated and multidimensional in nature, are ready to conduct any mission as per the mandate and your guidance, notably at this moment when our region is facing security challenges.
Transcends our borders and interests. We share a vision of a safer and more secure Eastern Africa, where the well-being of our people is at the forefront of our collective efforts. Over the years, the challenges facing our region have evolved, requiring us to adapt and innovate in our strategies and defense and security. Today, we find ourselves in the midst of a complex geopolitical dynamics, transnational threats, and emerging challenges that demand a unified and collaborative response.